Welcome back to the next episode. We would be talking about a lot of Facebook updates today and a lot of things that may affect your Facebook ads going forward depending upon what's happening around. You may already know that iOS is launching the beta of iOS version 14, and with that there could be quite a few significant changes in terms of Facebook ads. No, it's not about what iOS is doing to Facebook, it's about what iOS is doing to its own software that could affect Facebook in a lot of other ways. Until now, if you were an iOS user, with the new update, Facebook with iOS 14 is making it opt-in, which means that you as a user of iOS operating system, only if you give the permission, Facebook could then leverage this data. Otherwise, this is pretty much inaccessible, which means it affects Facebook in two folds. One, the accuracy of targeting is going to change because the data was opted in by default earlier. Now it's not going to be opted in, which means that that's a handicap and Facebook cannot have access to this data, which means the accuracy will suffer to some extent. The second way this is going to affect Facebook is in terms of publisher revenue. And if you are a publisher, if you're a gaming publisher, for example, the kind of ads and the kind of ads that you were showing earlier while this data was opted in was much more than what it is going to happen now, because it's obviously not shared anymore, which means that your number of ads showing on your website will drastically come down because your website is a part of the Facebook audience network. Not just your network, Facebook's overall ad revenue also could come down a little because Facebook audience network will suffer the consequences of Apple not letting the data be shared. Apple will not let the data be shared by default now. You could already see the frustration that Facebook is facing in their blog post that they've recently shared. I will link you to the article now. But I think you can't blame anybody because at the end of the day, Apple has to be responsible to its own audiences. Now, speculations also are around that Apple is doing all these things because they don't want to share the data now. Because rumors are around that Apple is coming up with its own search engine called the Spotlight Search in competition to Google. Google has been paying billions of dollars to Apple all the while to make Google Search and Chrome the default browser and search engine for Apple, but I think that's going to change now. Not because it has anything against Google, but I think a lot of regulations and a lot of things, Apple is doing its own systems that is prompting Apple to have their own search engine, which means you could see Apple running ads eventually on its own platform like Google Search. So basically, we are living into in a world of everybody doing everything, while the audience has a lot of option and a lot of variety and a lot of scope to grow his business on different platforms. It's interesting to see what comes out of this efforts by all these giants. And one thing is for sure, because only the best is going to come out, because the best of the best are fighting for you, which means you will benefit at the end of the day. So that's it with the iOS 14 update that I had for you, and let's also see if I'm missing out on anything. Two major things that will happen is Facebook audience network is going to suffer a loss in the number of ads and the number of ads being shown, number one, and publishers will suffer a great deal. In some cases, it was also predicted and speculated that publishers may suffer 50% of their revenues because some of them have their livelihood built around this system. Now, this could drastically affect, but then it's nothing personal. All right. Facebook has also mentioned in their blog post that how dependent is the marketing ecosystem on a couple of operating systems and platforms. The importance of user identification in making digital marketing work is very important, and I think that will continue to be a handicap. All right, thank you so much for staying patient, and if you have any questions and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. My name is Casey. See you again. Cheers, guys.